Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. In today's lesson, we are going to learn why classical dancers dance bare feet. Number one reason. Any Indian classical dance, by the way, if you know how many classical dance styles are there, comment below and let me know. All the classical dance styles are coming from a temple art or have come from a temple art. So do you go in the temple with the chappals or the shoes on? No. In Hindu culture, we go in the temple keeping our shoes outside. So if you can imagine that if the dance style is born in the temples and performed in the temples, then obviously the dancers are going to dance bare feet. Second reason, all the classical dance styles have predominantly grounded movements. So the dancer has to be bare feet because if you want to do the grounded movements, the grip of the floor is more important. And with shoes or chappal, the grip is not that comfortable. So in order to do that, the dancers have to be bare feet. The third and kind of important reason is the sound of the foot is very intriguing. It's very interesting to hear the rhythm on your feet. Okay, so the rhythm is inseparable part of dance. So whatever, especially Indian classical dance forms, we work with the rhythm very closely, and that's why to play that particular rhythm or multiple patterns in that particular rhythm is very interesting and intriguing. For that, you need to be bare feet. That's how you can enhance the sound of the stamping. If you have any more questions, write them in the comment box below and I will answer. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep dancing.